On this episode of ShyGotEm on Cam, police responded to a domestic dispute incident. The suspect, identified as Juan, had no intention of surrendering easily. He took them on a wild police chase, and this is what happened.
Ward 13, we're taking off again. We're going westbound on Shadywood.
Copy, westbound Shadywood.
Northbound Havenwood.
That you tried to show them last night. And we're going to be going westbound Castlewood, 815.
Copy, westbound Castlewood.
Northbound Rosewood, 15 miles an hour, no pedestrian traffic.
Copy, northbound Rosewood.
Westbound Stonebridge, no pedestrian traffic. Road is dry and clear.
Pull over!
Copy, westbound Stonebridge.
030.1's going to be 273.5 and possible 245. From Stonebridge, speed 25 miles an hour. No pedestrian traffic. Traffic is light yielding.
Copy, continuing westbound Stonebridge.
Wait, can you check with the SOC if they have any units coming from the French Camp area?
Never.
Just blew the stop sign at Slate. We're going to be going 35, continuing northbound.
Copy, continuing northbound on Harlan.
Okay, we're going to be passing here at Delhi now.
Never.
Continuing northbound past the UPS, East 65. Traffic is light yielding.
Copy, northbound after the UPS.
And stand by for the next turn. We're going to be going westbound on Rock. And he's going the wrong way for a second here.
Copy, westbound Rock, and we have CJ unit 721.
Just tried to 245 Boy 13 with this vehicle. We're going to be on southbound 5 on-ramp from Rock Road.
Copy, southbound I-5 for Rock.
Hang on, one officer.
Rock unit 10.
Designated 1's going to be 245 on an officer.
10-4, do we want CHP to take over?
Yeah, for we'll take whatever agency can assist.
Need that?
For sure, if you want them to take over, they'll take primary.
Yeah, it looks like his vehicle partially disabled the alignment. We're going to be continuing southbound 5 to Rock, speed 78. Traffic is medium and yielding.
19. He's got a flat front driver's side tire. He's getting a little squirrely right now. I think he might TC if he keeps going faster.
Let's try to give him a little bit, and I'll hold this number 2 lane if fuel, number 1. If there's any additional units on side streets that they want to try to parallel us, keep the sky so bails onto Mandy. Ready, I'll keep up. Location. Looks like we're passing laser now, so we're heading towards Louise, I-510. Only number 1 lane, even in number 2 lane.
I'll be continuing I-5 southbound toward Louis.
During the police chase, Juan's car suffered a blown tire, forcing him to ditch his vehicle, but he wasn't done yet.
Dude, his tire's coming apart.
Copy, tire coming apart.
Yeah, foot bailing, foot bailing.
I copy, he's booked in a lane and there's units covering one for the DMV.
Trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
Be trying to contact the victim vehicle with the description.
Hey, you're gonna get shot, dude! Hey, you're gonna get shot! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the move! Sir. Don't move! Bro, why did you shoot me? Move forward!
Behind your back. EMS code 3, I-5 south, just south of Louise. Yeah, I'm gonna get the iPad.
Yeah.
Hey, you got gloves? I got small ones.
Ready to breathe, brother?
You alright? Hey, are you okay?
Got my car fixed, bro.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, do me a favor, just stay right here. We'll take care of you.
I can't breathe, man. I can't breathe. We got help coming. Come on, your knees. I can't breathe. I just gotta make sure you got away. All right. Sit up. Right here. It's a ledge. Put your legs over here this way. Shot?
Yeah, I shot him. I shot him.
Shots fired?
One to two rounds. This direction. Nobody outstanding. Nobody outstanding.
Anybody else? Just you? Where are you
Yeah.
gonna get at? Come on, lay the med side? Lay down. No, yeah. Scissors? Give me scissors. Give me the scissors.
You got him?
Give me the scissors.
Hey, what's your name, buddy?
Juan?
Juan, what's your last
I can't breathe, dog.
What's your last name, Juan?
They're going to be southbound I-5 just south of Louise.
You're good?
Yeah.
Probably the right dude for that job. Yeah.
Can I sit on the car,
Juan,
man?
what's your last name, buddy?
Can we stand on the car?
Juan, what's your last
Can I
name?
stand on the car?
Just tell you, listen.
I know, but one.
Juan,
For the southbound I-5 just south of Louise, and then you're showing all units there.
Like they're on the entrance. Just smack my shit.
119, logged in name 1. We'll work on a DOB.
Number.
Juan, do you have a birthday, buddy?
Okay.
What about these guys?
Was
Yeah.
that the car that you're trying to get in?
No, that's his car. He's shot. Are you guys able to help us? Yeah, they're right here. Fire's right here.
Affirm, we told them code 3 and told them they were clearing. I didn't 21 to get an update.
Looks like the fire captain's coming on scene. We flagged down a medical transport. They're going to assist.
My heart broke. Shot me the
Number.
Shot me the heart broke. Sit down. I know. I'm not gonna do nothing, bro. Sit down. I know you're not. Fucking son's a Marine.
Number.
You got ID on you, buddy? You're okay, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I mean,
Yeah, I'm fine.
What was he trying? He was trying to carjack you.
Yeah, he was trying to carjack my shit.
Okay.
My door's locked.
No, not the Visa.
Oh shit, no problem.
Only American Express, buddy.
I hear you. Here you go.
119, can we log the DL for the carjacking victim?
So there was a high-speed chase. This guy. I'm literally on the entrance. I literally just got off the entrance of the and yeah, they got me parked here. The MID and shit. Alright. Everyone else in the car?
Hey, just you, right?
Yeah, just me, man.
I would get a good statement from him.
Okay.
I just want to get your phone number. I'll get your write down your info. What's your phone number, buddy?
Actually, 209.
Okay, I'll write it down on.
Provided to get medical. Yes. We have he's handcuffed too.
Can we take the cuffs off? Juan, can you take the cuffs off? Put them in the front.
If you, I mean, he's arrested, so yeah. Okay. I mean, whatever you guys got to do for medical purposes.
We will go back eventually.
Brand.
You got DOB on him? Say you're gonna take up.
She's gonna
take.
As soon as this roll out here, Charles will go with him and get you back to the PD. Okay.
I also got a very brief statement from the at the house.
Okay, so we need to go back there.
Yeah, because there was a heat ran out immediately.
Are you okay? You hurt anything?
Shook out.
Those shook out? 2 rounds?
Yeah.
Okay, dude.
Hey, buddy.
You good?
Yeah.
How you feeling, man? What kind of medical problem you got? Any? Jenkins? John Jenkins?
We didn't verify, but
Trying to get all the medical personnel.
So engine, number, ambulance number, everything.
he got out, and that's when I got
Excuse us.
So he's innocent, or he's not part of it. It's just
victim, carjacking victim.
he was recording, so make sure he's not part of the suspect.
No, he's straight back. Hey, Carlos knows he's going. Yeah, okay. Hey, you know what? Let me give this to him real quick.
Yeah, I need this changed up, and then I'm gonna have this witness. Plus, he's the 245 on him.
Yeah.
He's the shooter.
I don't know if it's the right one, but if you're there late, you might as well take it.
It's gonna be a long night for whichever officer has hospital duty, but at least he has lunch. Juan was treated for his injuries and taken into custody. He now faces some serious charges, including carjacking and resisting arrest. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. He is innocent until proven guilty. And click the video that's on the screen now.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.